Hello everyone, welcome to part 61 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are first getting the e-commerce and imbalance, then we will work on the e-commerce website as well. Okay, so we will continue working on the product attributes, and in this video we are going to integrate the multiple add remove fields for the attributes. Okay, so we are going to search for the script. Okay, that from that we can able to add remove attributes fields. Okay, we require the multiple add remove fields, so I'm going to search in Google for this script. I will write something like add remove fields dynamically in jQuery, okay. And I'm going to open this first link, add remove input fields dynamically using jQuery. Okay, so I am going to check its script. Okay, yeah, it seems to be fine, like plus so such kind of script we want. Okay, so we are going to copy this script, this one. I'm going to copy this one, this part. Okay, I'm going to copy from here. Okay, from here to until last. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and will put I'm going to close the earlier files first of all, and I'm going to put in custom.js, and here I'm going to put this somewhere. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so sorry, I think not able to copy then paste. Now it's fine. I will also comment here, I'm going to add comment like add edit attribute script. Okay, add edit, or okay, add attribute script. Okay, add product attribute script. Okay, so now without any modification we are going to first add this one, and I'm going to add this one as well in our add edit product form. Add edit product, and here I'm going to add, I can add anywhere, but I'm going to add after product images, after product video. I'm going to add this one, and for this I'm going to simply paste this one that we have copied from there. Okay, and this one form group. Okay, fine. So now we are going to check here that the script is working or not. See, this is the script and it's working fine. Okay, though there is the image. Okay, this one is for remove and this one is for add. Okay, so I'm going to check here the image. They have also provided us the image, so this image I think for remove. Okay, I am going to put here remove, and the earlier one I think for add. Okay, I'm going to check now. Yeah, okay, then the first one, I think one more script is used somewhere. I'm going to check this one, inspect this one, add icon. Go to search for this one. Okay, it's there, I think. Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to make it add here. Okay, so this script is working fine. You can see this add. Okay, it is working fine. Add remove. Okay, so this script we require, that is working fine. Now we are going to modify the script with these fields that I have explained in the last video: size, stock, price, stock. Okay, I'm going to modify this one with these fields. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write there, first of all I'm going to write the product attributes. Here I'm going to add the label as well, and in label I'm going to write here uh, here this for not required. Here I am going to add product attributes. Okay, so now here I am going to add all the fields, the first one is our SKU field, size field is the first one, then SKU, then price, then stock. Okay, so these fields we are going to add. We can see I'm going to add here. See required, not required, type is test, that is fine. Name I'm going to make it site. Okay, and ID I will also take the ID here. ID is size as well, fine. And value is not required. Okay, value is empty, that is not required. And other than value, the placeholder is required. Okay, placeholder we can make it size. And style, we will give some style here. We are going to give the width 120 pixel width we are going to give. So I'm going to copy this one. We'll add other fields as well, 1 2 3. Okay, so after size I'm going to add the SKU. In placeholder we're going to take SKU, and then we are going to add we're going to add here the price. And lastly we are going to add stock. Fine. Now we are going to check. Fine, it is product attributes, size, SKU, price, and stock. Okay, so in this script we are going to add this one now in script. Okay, now in custom.js, in this script we are going to modify this script and we'll add these fields here. Okay, so after see this one, input type test, here we are going to add the first one as the size. Okay, we are going to replace this field name with size. And also we are going to add the width like this one, style width 120 pixel. Here I am going to replace, value is not required, I'm going to replace it with the style. Okay, type it test is fine. And then we are going to modify the last this one as well. Done. And here, okay, so I'm going to copy this one and going to paste it. I'm going to give BSP here some spacing. After that I'm going to give 1, then spacing, and BSP. Okay, so here we are going to check. First one is size and second one is SKU. And then after SKU we are going to add price, and the last one is the stock. Fine, it is. Okay, seems to be fine now, you can see. Okay, here also we can give the placeholder. If you want to give the placeholder, also we can give the placeholder, like for size we can give the placeholder size, like for all we can give it like this, placeholder here size. After that placeholder SKU, placeholder price, placeholder stock. So we are going to check here. It seems to be fine now. Okay, you can see multiple. Now we can able to add the multiple attributes of for the product. Okay, so let's check it once that anything else is required. So it seems to be fine now, and now we are going to modify our product controller function, and there in the add edit product form we are going to accept this one. I'm going to check that whether going to debug this one, that whether these attributes are coming fine there or not. Okay, so I'm going to put some dummy attributes I have added there. So these attributes I'm going to put here. See, I'm going to put the same one like small, medium, large. Okay, so as this product okay, so it's for the new product. Okay, you can add the details for the any product like t-shirt. Maybe I am going to add the t-shirt, so I'm going to add this one, red casual t-shirt. Okay, so here I'm going to add this product code, and then color is red, color family is red also. So after that, group code is we are going to add no group code for now, and here base price I'm going to give the 1000. So now let's come here, images we can keep it left no product video for now, and now we are going to add these one, small, medium and large. Then SKU is this one, and this one is price for the small, and this one is stock for the small. Okay, and this one is SKU for the medium size to uniquely identify it, and this one is price for the for this medium size, and this one is stock. So this one is SKU for large, then price, then stock. So now we are going to check whether these attributes are coming there or not in our submit function, and here the attributes are coming fine. Size, SKU, price and stock, all the attributes are coming fine. So in the next video we are going to insert these attributes in the newly created product attributes table. We are going to insert these attributes. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.